All right, it is almost fall. And when I say almost fall, it is the middle of September, and we've had our first few cold nights, which is really critically important. You ask, why is it important to have cold nights? Well, cold nights mean the shallows drop in temperature rapidly overnight, and that causes the bait fish, like in these northern Kingston lakes, like alewife, to push shallow. Well, what happens when bait fish push shallow? Big, hungry fish go looking for them. So today, we're gonna try to fish reaction baits, baits that are constantly moving, trying to elicit an aggressive strike from a hungry predator. This should be fun.